In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change the language on your WordPress site. Whether you're looking to switch to a different language for accessibility, localization, or just personal preference, I'm here to guide you through the process step by step. Alright, let's dive in. First, you'll want to navigate to WordPress.com. This is your starting point for making any changes, including language adjustments, to your WordPress site. Simply open your web browser and type in the address to access the WordPress homepage. From here, log into your account if you're not already signed in. Once you're properly logged in and on your WordPress dashboard, the next step is to locate the Settings option. You'll find this on the left-hand side of your dashboard, conveniently located among a list of other options. Click on Settings to display a drop-down menu with several choices. For this tutorial, we are focusing on making general changes, so you'll want to select General from this list. Upon clicking General, you'll be directed to a new page where you'll find various general settings for your WordPress site. Now, pay attention to the first few settings because these are crucial for adjusting your site's language. Look for the option labeled Site Language. This is where the magic happens. By clicking on the Site Language drop-down menu, you'll open up an extensive list of languages that WordPress supports. Scroll through the list to find the language you wish to switch to. WordPress offers a diverse range of languages, so you're likely to find the one you're looking for. Once you've located your desired language, click on it to select it. But wait, before you move away from this page, it's important to adjust the settings. Look for the Save Changes button, usually located at the bottom of the page. This step is crucial because, without saving, the localization adjustments won't take effect. Once you've clicked Save Changes, your site will automatically update to reflect the newly chosen language. And there you have it. You've successfully changed the language setting on your WordPress site. This process not only alters the language for the back end of your site, affecting menus and options for logged-in users, but can also impact parts of the site's content depending on which plugins or themes you use. Remember, if at any point you want to revert or select a different language, you can simply repeat these steps. With practice, switching between languages becomes straightforward and opens your site up to a broader audience. Thanks for watching, and happy blogging!